Hello friends, welcome to my channel Home Cooking with Vina. Today we are making very easy tomato salsa. So let's get started.
Here are the ingredients, which are also listed in the description below. Add the seeded jalapeno and garlic into food processor. Pulse it couple of times until finally chopped. Open the can of tomato, then use the lid to drain most of the juice into a bowl. Add chopped garlic and jalapeno in tomato juice. In the food processor, combine the tomatoes, 1 chipotle chili and 2 tablespoons of adobe sauce. Pulse it until the mixture reaches your desired texture. Mix this processed tomato blend with the tomato juice, garlic and jalapeno. Add the scallion, onion, cilantro, salt, oregano, cumin, oil and red wine vinegar. Mix it thoroughly. Taste and adjust the seasoning by adding more salt or vinegar if needed. And here you have it, our easy tomato salsa. Enjoy this salsa with your favorite tortilla chips or as a topping on a various dishes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that it becomes a favorite in your kitchen too. Don't forget to subscribe and give me thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and share it with friends and family. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking!